filmed this nice wide boulevard right here. It's called Lu Cao. I'm not sure the last time I filmed it, but right now the beauty of some of these buildings is amazing. Especially this one right here, and then that one I'm gonna walk down it briefly too and just kind of show you what that looks like. But yeah, that looks beautiful. And the street is also, some of these streets in here, these ones all the way down, are all pedestrian. So you can, so there's a lot of stuff that can be sold in the streets without cars running around you. So we're gonna highlight this particular one. Let me put this up on the map, and then we're gonna walk down that way, and I'm gonna show you that green building as well on the way. Okay, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, that's at Lu Cao Street. Oh, that car went through there. I just said that that was not a pedestrian, that's a pedestrian street that says no cars, but that one just went in there and parked. So I don't know. We'll see. Looks like they're gonna drop something off. Anyways, we're going to be walking through this street in a minute, and then before we do, I just want to highlight this really cool looking buildings in this area because they're quite spectacular. But yeah, this street is also pretty interesting, and then I love this green building right here. This green one is probably one of my favorite ones in the city. This one looks pretty cool too, actually, all that. But this green one, I just think it's just so photogenic, so interesting. Nice little narrow building, and then if you were up in these ones, you'd have the balcony, and then you have two windows on both sides. So it's just kind of cool looking. Okay, let's go back. And our target street, there's beautiful balconies right there, and then we're gonna go down that one called Lu Cao. So let's kind of take all that in. Yeah, this street right here is also kind of cool looking. Okay, so I guess what we're gonna do is come out and then go around like this. Got a bus stop right there. And then this is our street, Lu Cao. And I don't know the last time I was here, but I'll put it in the thumbnails. So yeah, the one that stuck in here, right? I guess they have a purpose, so they are dropping stuff off. And those balconies are here, but this building's not quite as beautiful as the one on the side there. I was expecting that to be kind of similar. Okay, so we're gonna go down Lu Cao Street. See what's all going on in this one. So yeah, so those delivery drivers, I guess they can park right in there. And then past here, they have these things right here. So these actually, you can actually lift these up. So you can pull it up if you needed to get something in there. There's a shrine. There's the street. Okay, so that's the beginning of the street. And then you can actually go through some of these buildings. Let me just try to go through here real quick. And then you can actually go through to this street over here. So there's another parallel street right there that people are coming off that street, right? But I'm gonna stay on this one. And what I'm basically doing is just documenting the streets, so we have a record of them in 2026 and other time periods. So I don't think I filmed the street anytime recently, I don't think. So you can go back to the last time I was here and see what's changed. I think this one has been here for a while. Pakistan Indonesian Daiso. So Daiso is here. Daiso, you can actually let me see. I think this little passageway will go through here, and then this Daiso, I think this Quina right here also connects to it's a little patio right in there. So that looks like something I should explore as a separate video. Yeah, it looks really interesting. But we're gonna stay focused on our target street right here, Lu Cao. Okay, so we got flower shops and clothing shops. So the prices here would be very affordable. So that dress is $59. That's about $6 American, $6 or $7 American. You get buy flowers over here. There's also a lot of these apartments with the guardrails, balconies. Okay, so we could keep on. This is only 39. That's like $4 American. Flower shops. Okay, so we're gonna. There's another delivery vehicle right there. All the boxes in the windows. Keep on going down. So kind of gives you an idea what the city looks like. And actually these would be crazy busy on a weekend, on a Saturday and Sunday. So today it's actually Monday afternoon, about 3 p.m. right now. And so so this would be kind of a nice time to come here and shop if you're not working at 3 p.m. on a Monday. Or if you're a tourist, you can. But actually this is more like functional, so it's not really a tourist area. It's more for locals who want to be practical with their shopping needs. And it's great when you first move here. So when I first moved here 13 years ago, 2013, I came down here right away and I bought like stuff for the house, like all your practical stuff, buckets to wash in a bucket or whatever, you know, kitchen stuff, towels, blankets, sheets. So it's all very low price to get you started, and then you can slowly build up your stuff. So nice little marketplace here. I'll just kind of look down the street real quick because it's this one gets closer and closer to the red market. So this whole area will have more of the fruits and vegetables everywhere. Just walk in briefly. And then we'll go back to our street in a minute. Got all kinds of fruits, oranges, good prices. Very photogenic area. I'll see a lot of tourists will come in here and take photographs. They'll just kind of do what I'm doing, just look down the street and do some nice photography. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our target street of Lu Cao. And we keep on walking down. Give you more of a context to it. Okay. It's a gold shop to the left over there. More clothing to the right. And we're just gonna go all the way to the end. See what we can see there, and then we'll end the video. Yeah, I don't recall the last time I filmed the street, so I was in this area not too long ago. I filmed some of the streets around here, but I don't think I went down this one. We'll see. It's in the thumbnail at the end, so you'll be able to see. Look at that art. Okay. So we're gonna come all the way to an end here. And we'll end the video in a moment. And then that's the street name right there, Lu Cao. So there we go. And then the red market is like right, let's walk down this little bit. So right over there is the red market. And then there's other parallel streets right here. So when we could see through some of the buildings, it was in that space that way. So all of these are marketplaces, and then the red market is down that way. Okay. And so we're gonna come to, and this just says that the cars can't come through here between 8 to 9. Okay, so that'll be the end of our video. So we'll come to an end for this one, but this is Lu Cao. So you get another slice of what Macau looks like on a Monday at about 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Weekends will be crazy crowded. Okay.